Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. 10 high-paying remote jobs you can start today. If you're looking to work from the comfort of your own home and earn a handsome income, you're in the right place. So, let's dive right in. Number 1, software developer. Number 1 on our list is a software developer. With the ever-growing demand for software in today's digital world, remote opportunities for developers are on the rise. And guess what? They come with some fantastic paychecks too. Software developers are responsible for designing, coding, and testing various software applications. From web development to mobile apps, their expertise is in high demand. Companies worldwide are embracing the remote work culture, making it easier for developers to find lucrative opportunities from the comfort of their own homes. According to industry reports, the average salary for a remote software developer is around $100,000 per year. Now, that's an impressive figure. Imagine having the freedom to work from anywhere, while still earning a great income. Not only do remote software developers enjoy a competitive salary, but they also experience the benefits of flexible working hours. You can say goodbye to long commutes and hello to a better work-life balance. Remote work allows you to create your own schedule and manage your time more efficiently. To become a successful remote software developer, you'll need a strong foundation in programming languages like Python, Java, or JavaScript. Continuous learning and staying updated with the latest technologies will also give you a competitive edge in this ever-evolving field. If you're passionate about coding and enjoy solving complex problems, a career as a remote software developer might be the perfect fit for you. The demand for skilled developers is only expected to grow in the coming years, so there's no better time to start than today. Number 2, digital marketer. Next up, we have a digital marketer. In today's digital age, businesses are rapidly shifting their operations online, creating a huge demand for skilled digital marketers. This profession has skyrocketed in popularity, and it's not hard to see why. Digital marketers play a crucial role in helping companies expand their online presence and reach their target audience effectively. As a remote digital marketer, you have the opportunity to work with diverse clients, spanning across industries such as e-commerce, technology, and even healthcare. The beauty of this job is that you can do it from the comfort of your own home or anywhere you choose. Now, let's talk about the earning potential. According to industry reports, the average salary for a remote digital marketer is around $70,000 per year. Keep in mind that this figure can vary depending on factors such as experience, specialization, and the size of the company you work for. However, with the right skills and dedication, digital marketing can be a highly rewarding career choice. One of the great things about digital marketing is the opportunity for growth and advancement. As you gain experience and build a strong portfolio, you can position yourself as an expert in specific areas like search engine optimization, social media marketing, or content marketing. This expertise can open doors to higher-paying positions and exciting freelance opportunities. Now, let's discuss the top skills you need to excel as a remote digital marketer. First and foremost, having a solid understanding of the digital landscape is essential. This includes being familiar with different social media platforms, SEO techniques, email marketing strategies, and analytics tools. Staying up to date with the latest trends and changes in the industry is also crucial for success. In addition to technical skills, analytical and creative thinking are highly valued in the field of digital marketing. You need to be able to analyze data, interpret consumer behavior, and come up with innovative strategies to drive results. It's all about finding that perfect balance between data-driven decision-making and creative storytelling. Lastly, communication skills are key. As a remote digital marketer, you'll often collaborate with clients, team members, and stakeholders who may be located in different parts of the world. Being able to clearly communicate your ideas, provide progress updates, and build strong relationships is vital for achieving your goals. Number 3, graphics designer. Coming in at number 3 on our list is a profession that has seen tremendous growth in recent years. thanks to the boom in social media and online marketing. That's right, we're talking about graphic designers. Graphic design has become an essential component of businesses' branding and marketing strategies. As companies strive to create visually appealing content to capture their audience's attention, the demand for skilled graphic designers has skyrocketed. The beauty of being a remote graphic designer is that you can work from anywhere, as long as you have a computer and an internet connection. This flexibility allows you to take on projects from clients all around the world, broadening your horizons and expanding your portfolio. Now, let's talk about the earnings. Remote graphic designers typically earn a handsome income, and the average salary for this profession hovers around $60,000 per year. Of course, your earnings may vary depending on your experience, expertise, and the complexity of the projects you undertake. One of the advantages of remote graphic design work is the vast array of projects you can take on. From creating eye-catching logos and branding materials to designing engaging social media posts and website layouts, the possibilities are endless. As a graphic designer, you have the freedom to express your creativity and collaborate with clients to bring their visions to life. To become a successful remote graphic designer, it's crucial to stay up to date with the latest design trends and software tools. Building a strong online presence by showcasing your portfolio on websites or social media platforms can also help you attract potential clients. Number 4. Freelance writing. Fourth on our list of high-paying remote jobs is freelance writing. If you have a way with words and a passion for crafting compelling content, freelance writing can be an excellent remote job option. The demand for quality content is skyrocketing, and companies are seeking skilled writers who can deliver engaging articles, blog posts, and other written materials. One of the biggest advantages of freelance writing is the flexibility it offers. You can work from the comfort of your own home or any location you desire. All you need is a reliable internet connection, a computer, and your creative mind. No more commuting. No more rigid schedules. You have the freedom to set your own working hours. Now, let's talk about the financial aspect. According to recent surveys, the average salary for a remote freelance writer is around $50,000 per year. However, it's important to note that this figure can vary depending on factors such as experience, niche expertise, and the volume of work you take on. So, how do you get started as a freelance writer? Well, there are several avenues you can explore. First, you can reach out to online platforms specifically designed for freelancers, such as Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. These platforms connect freelancers with clients seeking writing services. Another option is to build your own freelance writing business. Create a professional website showcasing your writing portfolio and market your services through social media platforms, professional networks, and by reaching out directly to potential clients. Now, let's discuss a few essential tips for success as a freelance writer. First, hone your writing skills continuously. Read books, take online courses, and practice writing regularly to improve your craft. Second, specialize in a niche that interests you or aligns with your expertise. By establishing yourself as an expert in a particular field, you can attract high-paying clients who value your knowledge. Third, always meet deadlines and deliver quality work. Timeliness and professionalism are crucial in maintaining long-term client relationships. Lastly, be proactive in networking and marketing yourself. Attend writing conferences, join online writing communities, and connect with other professionals in your industry. Building a strong network can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. Number 5. Virtual assistant. Number 5 on our list is the role of a virtual assistant. With the growing trend of remote work, the demand for virtual assistants has skyrocketed. Companies are increasingly seeking skilled professionals who can provide administrative and organizational support from a remote location. It's a fantastic opportunity to work remotely and earn a competitive salary. So, what does a virtual assistant do? Well, virtual assistants undertake various tasks, such as managing emails, scheduling appointments, handling customer inquiries, conducting research, and even assisting with social media management. They essentially provide remote administrative support to busy professionals, entrepreneurs, or businesses. The beauty of being a virtual assistant is that you can work with clients from different industries and location. You have the flexibility to choose your clients and the type of tasks you prefer to handle. Some virtual assistants specialize in specific areas like marketing, project management, or bookkeeping, while others offer a more general range of services. Now, let's talk about the earning potential. On average, a remote virtual assistant can earn around $40,000 per year. However, it's important to note that this figure can vary depending on factors such as your experience, skills, the type of tasks you handle, and the clients you work with. Some experienced virtual assistants earn well above the average, especially if they offer specialized services or work with high-profile clients. The great thing about being a virtual assistant is that you can start right away. The barriers to entry are relatively low, as you can gain the necessary skills through online courses, self-study, or even by leveraging your existing experience in administrative or customer service roles. To find remote virtual assistant jobs, you can explore various online platforms and job boards that cater specifically to remote work opportunities. Networking on social media platforms like LinkedIn can also be beneficial, as it allows you to connect with potential clients or join virtual assistant communities to gain insights and job leads. Number 6. Social Media Manager. Coming in at number 6 on our list is a role that has become increasingly crucial in the digital age, the social media manager. With the rapid rise of social media platforms, businesses big and small require skilled professionals to effectively manage their online presence and engage with their target audience. As a remote social media manager, you have the exciting opportunity to work closely with brands, curate engaging content, and develop strategies to boost their online visibility. Whether it's creating captivating posts, running targeted ad campaigns, or analyzing social media metrics, you'll play a key role in shaping a company's digital footprint. Now, let's talk numbers. The average salary for a remote social media manager is around $50,000 per year. Of course, it's important to note that this figure can vary depending on factors such as your experience, the size of the company you work for, and the industry you're in. Nevertheless, social media management offers a competitive compensation package, making it a lucrative remote job option. One of the great aspects of being a social media manager is the ability to work with diverse clients and industries. From fashion and beauty brands to tech startups and even non-profit organizations, the opportunities are vast. This variety keeps the job exciting and allows you to gain experience in different sectors, further enhancing your skill set. Number 7. Web Developer. Coming in at number 7 on our list is the ever-evolving and in-demand field of web development. With businesses moving online at an unprecedented pace, the need for skilled web developers has skyrocketed. Whether it's creating engaging websites, developing e-commerce platforms, or building web applications, web developers play a crucial role in shaping the online landscape. So, what makes web development such a lucrative remote job? Well, besides the freedom to work from anywhere, remote web developers enjoy substantial earning potential. On average, remote web developers can earn around $80,000 per year, making it one of the highest-paying remote jobs in the market. Keep in mind that this figure may vary depending on factors such as experience, skill level, and location. However, even entry-level web developers can earn a respectable income while working remotely. Number 8. Video Editor. 8th on our list is the ever-evolving and in-demand profession of a video editor. In this digital age, video content has become an integral part of marketing strategies for businesses worldwide. As a result, the demand for skilled video editors has skyrocketed. So, what exactly does a remote video editor do? Well, their primary responsibility is to take raw video footage and transform it into a polished, professional, and engaging final product. They work closely with businesses, content creators, and marketing teams to ensure that the videos align with the brand's vision and objectives. One of the most exciting aspects of being a remote video editor is the flexibility it offers. You have the freedom to work from anywhere in the world, as long as you have a reliable internet connection and the necessary equipment. Plus, you can often set your own schedule, allowing for a better work-life balance. Now, let's talk about the earning potential of a remote video editor. On average, remote video editors can expect to make around $50,000 per year. However, it's important to note that this figure can vary depending on factors such as experience, expertise, and the nature of the projects you work on. While the salary may vary, it's worth mentioning that video editing is a skill that can be highly lucrative. As you gain more experience and establish a strong portfolio, you can attract higher-paying clients and even work on larger-scale projects, which can significantly increase your earning potential. Number 9. Translator. Ninth on our list is a translator. If you're fluent in multiple languages, you're in luck. Being a remote translator opens up a world of opportunities, allowing you to work from anywhere while utilizing your linguistic skills. As a remote translator, you'll be responsible for translating written or spoken content from one language to another. This can include anything from documents, websites, or even live interpreting during conferences or meetings. Now, let's talk numbers. The average salary for a remote translator is around $50,000 per year. Of course, this can vary depending on your experience, language proficiency, and the demand for specific languages. But keep in mind, the more languages you're fluent in, the higher your earning potential. If you have expertise in rare or in-demand languages, you can even command higher rates in the market. Number 10. Project Manager. And last but certainly not least on our list, we have the role of a project manager. In recent years, with the increasing number of businesses going remote, the demand for skilled project managers has skyrocketed. Let's take a closer look at why becoming a remote project manager could be a fantastic career move for you. One of the most significant advantages of being a remote project manager is the flexibility it offers. You can work from anywhere in the world as long as you have a stable internet connection. No more commuting to the office every day. Imagine the time and money you'll save. According to industry reports, the demand for project managers, specifically in remote settings, has seen a remarkable surge. As businesses adapt to remote work environments, they require skilled professionals who can effectively manage teams and ensure successful project completion. Now, let's talk about the compensation. Remote project managers are highly valued and well compensated for their expertise. On average, a remote project manager earns around $90,000 per year. Keep in mind that this figure can vary depending on factors such as experience, industry, and location. So, what does it take to become a remote project manager? Well, excellent organizational skills, strong leadership qualities, and effective communication are vital. A project manager is responsible for coordinating team members, setting deadlines, managing resources, and ensuring project goals are met. We hope you found this information helpful in your pursuit of a rewarding remote career. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and stay remote.